Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. Today behind me is the 2026 Chaparral 247. This boat is powered by a Mercury Mercruiser 6.2, 300 horsepower. Follow me as we walk through the boat. So here at the aft of the boat, you have Chaparral's large swim platform. You have their patented hydraulic infinity power step. This power step will fold into the water and back up at the press of a button. Then you can lean back and lounge in the swing back seating. As you move to the cockpit area of the boat, you have snap-in SeaDek throughout the boat. You have JL audio all throughout as well. And then here at the helm, you have dual Simrad screens for all your gauges and things like that. As we move to the bow of the boat, you have a small area for an ice chest right here, and then your anchor locker. So if you want to come see this boat in person, stop by our Grand Lake store and come see me, or give me a call at 918-676-6868.